Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two real estate apps or websites. First one is Zillow and the second one is OpenDoor. We'll go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Zillow. Zillow is a leading real estate and rental marketplace dedicated to empowering consumers with data, inspiration and knowledge around the place they call home and connecting them with the best local professionals who can help. Zillow serves the full life cycle of owning and living in a home, buying, selling, renting, financing, remodeling and more. It starts with Zillow's living database of more than 110 million US homes, including homes for sale, homes for rent, and homes not currently on the market, as well as estimates home values, rent estimates, and other home-related information. Zillow operates the most popular suite of mobile real estate apps, with more than 24 apps across all major platforms. Zillow launched in 2006 and is headquartered in Seattle. Zillow is also very easy to operate and navigate through. If you want to buy a house, all you have to do is find the house for sale easily. As you can see, I was looking for Minnesota housing, and in this UI, let's go and start from the scratch. You can go with for sale, for rent, or sold. Let's go for sale. And we should be able, we don't want to find an agent right now. Let's go, let's go with Denver. Or more likely, we can check these prices. In Colorado. For example, let's pick this happy dot and we click on it. As you can see, there are all the photos of the seller, and you see what they are asking for, facts and features. Also, you can select the preferred time for a walk around. It's near the river, very nice property. The estimate is 418K. So it's really easy to find yourself a house. You can go for a rent, and you can rent, for example, this one for 2.6K a month, which is kind of a lot since I'm coming from Europe and this is completely unreal. 2.4, and it's really easy to navigate through. But let's go and talk about OpenDoor. OpenDoor is a leading digital platform for residential real estate. In 2014, they set out to reinvent the life's most important transaction with a new, radically simple way to buy and sell a home. They have rebuilt the entire consumer real estate experience. And have made buying and selling possible on a mobile device. They've served tens of thousands of customers who have come to OpenDoor, make their moves easier, whether it's getting married, starting a family, taking a new job, or simply making a life change. Their mission is to empower everyone with the freedom to move, and it completely works very alike Zillow. Zillow is the biggest seller on the market in the US right now, so if you are into something, if you want something a little more subtle and smaller, something more personal, OpenDoor would be a better fit for you. as you can see in here, how it works. You can get the free offer in actually couple of minutes. You can list or sell with OpenDoor. All you have to do is enter your home address, and if you want to buy, also if you want to, let's go with Denver. And as you can see, it works basically the same way like it works at Zillow. You get a map, you get the dots, and in these dots you have a lot of housings. For example, this one you can buy for 675k, and basically schedule a meeting with the owner or real estate agent. So that's basically it. It's really hard to decide, but I would go with Zillow because simply they are the greatest or the biggest on the market, and you can get a lot of attention because there's a great traffic on Zillow, so more people will see your offers. Anyways, if you have any kind of questions, please leave them underneath this video. If you like, press a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.